Worried about your baby while they sleep or struggling with basic audio monitors? See and hear your little one clearly anywhere with this 3.5-inch video baby monitor, offering total peace of mind. The full-color screen displays sharp video, and automatic night vision provides clear visibility in darkness without disturbing your infant. The 2.4G wireless connection provides stable transmission without Wi-Fi, meaning strong private signals without internet issues. Two-way audio lets you talk to soothe baby or communicate with your partner in the nursery. Built-in temperature sensor displays room temperature, ensuring baby's environment stays comfortable. The portable parent unit goes room to room for monitoring while cooking, doing laundry, or relaxing. Designed for parents wanting reliable technology that works when needed. Features night vision, two-way audio, temperature monitoring, and Wi-Fi-free operation for maximum privacy and reliability. Don't settle for guesswork with baby's safety and comfort. The link to get this essential parenting tool is in the description and comments below.